San Francisco is an amazingly vibrant and beautiful city and the home of over 800,000 residents. We're also joined by over 1 million tourists each month who've come to San Francisco to enjoy the beautiful scenery and the waterfront. Lots and lots of reasons for people to come join and visit us in the city and county of San Francisco.
311 is a great service for our residents here in San Francisco. And now they've got a single phone number, they have a single website where they can access services and they can actually provide input into what's working well in government, what's not working well. And that feedback is really, really important for our city to maintain the great standards that we have in place today.
So one of the problems we had as we were looking to build out a 311 customer service center was only about 40% of the calls were actually getting resolved in a timely and a quality manner. The city was looking for the correct solution that would meet the needs of the customer service center as well as the public we were trying to support. At the end of our search, we did select the Lagan case management solution from Kana, and it's been in place now for 4 years, and we've taken close to 1 million service requests and answered over 11 million calls using the application.
When we originally started at 311, we anticipated about 1.5 million calls, and at that time we thought 30 to 40 representatives would be able to handle that call volume. We quickly realized that our popularity out there in the city was going to grow that number tremendously, and we were receiving 3 to 4 million calls a year, and we wound up hiring another 30 to 40 reps, and right now we have 65 call takers taking phone calls 24 hours a day, 365 days a year.
Additionally, what we've done is we've focused on self-service. And our focus on self-service is one of the reasons why we've expanded into channels such as Twitter, into Open311, into Facebook. And the reason for that is if you really want the public to try to serve themselves, to find the answer to their own request, to request a service they need directly through our self-service forums, then what you need to do is accommodate that customer and provide them access in the channel they really want. One of the goals we had when we incorporated the web was that a member of the public would be able to follow up on their request regardless of how they chose to enter it. So what we've worked hard to do is to join the customer records so that if you called us on the phone but you'd used the web previously, you could go on the web and look up the status of any of your requests regardless of how you entered that request. Because we do take requests for multiple departments, and the requests are all formatted in a common way and they all have standard fields and features, we're able to provide metrics to elected officials understand what the needs are, what their constituents are looking for, what they're needing, and what their different departments are doing as far as performance. And having a comprehensive 311 customer service case tracking system does provide that visibility.
Thank you for calling San Francisco 311. My name is Joanne. How may I help you? Sure, I can help you with that. I can complete a service request with you and send it over to Department of Public Works.
The city of San Francisco was inspired by President Obama's memo, and in his first day in office, his memo focused on transparency, collaboration. And from that memo, the federal government produced a website called data.gov. And when we saw that great work in the memo, we were really inspired to do something here locally in San Francisco. Kana has done a great job of supporting and being the first major player to actually publicly support Open311 API. And with that support, it's tremendous. There's many cities who may not have the technical skill sets or capacity that we have here in San Francisco, but could benefit from this technology and this interoperability. I see the future of where we're heading with 311, with Open311 API as really promising. The work that we've done here with Kana, I think, has created that platform for other individuals and organizations and our community to innovate on top of.
San Francisco is particularly progressive in terms of their citizen service initiatives, an increasingly environmentally friendly and tech-savvy city. They've really embraced the concepts of channel shift, and San Francisco 311 is all about delivering consistently good service experiences across channels every hour of every day. We're proud to have the City and County of San Francisco as a Kana customer.